Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back. You see this, yes, the Elgato 4KX Super Speed Game Capture card. Yes, ultra rapid. So, anyways, here it is. Here's the box. Let's go ahead and take a look on the back. What does it say? Incredible capture, pure gameplay. You get what I'm saying? All that good stuff. So we have HDMI in, USB-C, USB 3.2, Type-C is what it actually says, HDMI out, analog on the front, light indicator on the front. Also, this capture card is able to do up to 4K 144, which means it does 4K 120 for the PS5. Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, what do we have? Okay. What does it say? Ultra certified cable. Okay, so basically it comes with an 8K cable. This is the new capture card. If you guys can see, this is it. Look at that. How does it look? It looks pretty nice. Nice flat design, modern design.